So it appears none of that helped you, that you disappeared and you continue to use controlled substances. So why? I don't, I don't think 2 years is appropriate. And let me just explain to you all why. This is not his first motion to revoke. And the previous motion to revoke, it was a violation of condition number 2 and condition number 5. And are you Brandon Murray? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and State's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Brandon Murray who was placed on community supervision in 2015 CR 12011 for the offense of assault family second offense on November 15, 2016 for a term of 5 years and extended for a term of 4 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Supplement. Violation of 5. In Barrett County, Texas, the defendant, Brandon Murray, then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August through December 2024 and January through September 2025 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? True or not true? Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 6 years in the prison, a $1,500 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Form is sentenced defendant to 2 years. Please.
All right, is that the proposed agreement?
Yeah.
Has he done anything since he's been on probation?
He's done the classes, he's got some certificates that,
I'm sorry, what were you? I'm going off the court summary, one of my apologies. See. Outpatient treatment.
Oh, just 1 second. Probation?
Outpatient referral, I'm not quite sure the exact the outpatient treatment. However, I'm not sure what the requirement. Work hours, anger management, and he has made, it has made one payment of $90 for his expenses. Otherwise, unfortunately, I don't think that.
All right,
he was transferred to Arkansas.
yes.
There's some paperwork that certificates that he has. And bring him, and that's completion of the.
Well, just a second. If you're gonna talk, then can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, what have you done?
Program. So I finished the program, mission, good behavior. And while I was there, I had to manage it, and the hard copy, so it's, and it maybe, the person. So,
And what program did you say?
see, some universities. Program, drug and alcohol program.
And you're saying 9 months, was that inpatient?
Yeah.
All right, I don't know why they didn't transfer anything to the probation. No, no, no. Usually they should send to the probation officer here things that have been completed and if there have been some issues. No. Any objections? Sure. All right, thank you. All right. So it appears none of that helped you, that you disappeared and you continue to use controlled substances. So why?
So,
I don't, I don't think 2 years is appropriate. And let me just explain to you all why. This is not his first motion to revoke. And the previous motion to revoke, it was a violation of condition number 2 and condition number 5. I heard that motion to revoke. So I know he was transferred to Washington County in Arkansas because that's what he requested. And so he was transferred there. And it appears that they did an inpatient treatment there. And then he immediately goes back to doing what he's done before, which is abscond and continue to use. So, and there's no more extension for him because he's due to expire in November. So they, according to this, you continue to struggle with sobriety and you continue to have criminal behaviors. So, I mean, for the court, I don't know why I would give you the minimum sentence when I don't know if you've even really been trying, because the number one thing and the easiest thing to do is show up, whether you're using or not using. The easiest thing to show is to show up, and you disappeared. So what were you doing when you were disappearing?
I was, thinking, I had people go to case, they're trying to pick for the, I did the 2 months for violation, again, last time, more time, which I was the program, which the program.
And hmm?
If on O's issue in our case, and has the 72 month.
Sorry, he has what?
72 months sentence. I get the kid for back.
Okay. And I don't know why your grandmother would allow you. And when you say you were helping with your child, what do you mean by that?
Okay,
What does that mean, taking care of your child?
she,
Oh my goodness. That shouldn't even be happening if he's in the throes of his drug addiction. And according to this, it's meth and cocaine, and somebody's trusting him to watch a child. That just should not be. And you know it should not be.
so, sexual, so. That's how I present myself.
Let me ask you this. How old is your child?
So,
Your child is 7. If there were someone who had your criminal history, would you want them babysitting your child? And the fact that you're standing before me telling me that you were selling, that's how it got in your system. One, that's not 100% believable unless you're moving a lot of material. And two, that's not good at all. That's what they mean in that report when they say you're continuing with your criminal behavior. So I'm not going to give you 2 years. I don't think that's appropriate. But I do appreciate your honesty. Court is finding 5 true. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Court will give you credit for any time served. There is an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant in this case. There's to be no residing in households with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Court will give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And what's the case he has out of Arkansas that he's on parole? Yes. Or that he's doing, you said he's doing 72 months or something?
Yes.
Yes.
7-2. C as in Charlie, R as in Romeo, dash, 2-1, dash. I'm gonna really for saying.
Oh,
3 6s in a row.
okay. All right, so that would be,
You don't parole.
okay. Okay, that would be run concurrent with that cause number. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Yes, that case, he did.
Do what?
Senate and
136 days he has credit over there in Arkansas, and 154 days he has credit here.
All right, he'll receive the 176 days credit in Arkansas. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on community supervision. And because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have any questions over that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to start making better choices. One, you shouldn't be selling. You have a child to take care of. Two, that your grandmother is now being a great grandmother / parent to your child because you can't step up in the plate and you're not dependable. You understand? And where's your mom and dad? I'm sorry to hear that. And your father? All right. And so everybody is putting everything on the grandmother to do all of this. And you are continuing to have children and not be the type of person who should have children or who can take care of children. You understand? So do not go visiting that to your grandmother's doorstep. She doesn't need it. What you can do is get a job when you're released and send money to your grandmother for taking care of your child that you're not doing. And don't go in that child's life causing destruction. You understand? All right, good luck to you.